Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Binance and Sequoia Capital still committed to funding $1.3 billion Elon Musk in Twitter acquisition. Polygon and Matter Labs launches ZKDM public testnet. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is primarily owned by the whale class. SBF announces crypto exchange FTX v2 will go live in November. European Parliament Committee approves the Mica crypto framework. Now let's dive to the details. Binance and Sequoia Capital still committed to funding $1.3 billion Elon Musk in Twitter acquisition. According to the information, Binance has announced a contribution of around $500 million towards the purchase of Musk's popular social media platform. A spokesperson directly from the company confirmed that the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange will continue with its financing agreement for the exchange. Besides, Sequoia Capital's investment of $800 million in this deal also remains in place after Elon Musk's latest offer to Twitter. A source close to Sequoia's funding issue said that the company will not back down and will remain on Musk's side. Polygon and Matter Labs launches ZKDM public testnet. Polygon announces its ZKDM public testnet is available, targeting the mainnet in early 2023. Matter Labs is competing to launch the same rollups this week. A zero-knowledge proof-based rollup, ZKRollup, on Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) is the fundamental setting platform for both leading blockchain network Polygon and Matter Labs. Polygon announces the new launch of the public testnet today. According to Polygon co-founder Mihailo Bjelic, ZKDMs are the right move for EVM equivalent effort of scaling. Thanks to several breakthroughs that we had internally in our ZKEVM team, we were able to improve the efficiency by several orders of magnitude, and we managed to deliver in a little bit less than 1 year, Bjelic stated. Shiba Inu, SHIB, is primarily owned by the whale class. Shiba Inu continues to be a prized possession for a variety of whale species, according to data from WhaleStats. Shiba Inu reportedly exchanged another token to take the lead as the top dollar value holding among the top 100 ETH whales, a position it still holds as of press time. The top 1,000 ETH whales that had SHIB as their largest holding, worth $137,540,787 of SHIB, had a similar experience. SHIB was also the largest holding for the top 5,000 whales. Additionally, this whale class contained a sizable number of SHIB. SBF announces crypto exchange FTX v2 will go live in November. Sam Bankman-Fried, SBF, announced a series of improvements to FTX's matching engine, including the introduction of a new order matcher, a lower latency API path, and other features. It is expected to launch on November 21st, when FTX v2 will also be launched. These enhancements, according to Bankman-Fried, will quadruple FTX's order throughput while lowering latency by 50%. He claimed that these enhancements have been in the works for most of the year and are nearly ready for deployment on the platform. European Parliament Committee approves the Mica crypto framework. As a consequence of trilogue negotiations between the EU Council, the European Commission, and the European Parliament, Econ member Stefan Berger revealed in a tweet on October 10 that the committee has approved the Mica law. The European Parliament's plenary session is soon set to hold a final vote on the crypto framework policy, with 28 members voting in favor and 1 voting against. A uniform regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies across the 27 member states of the European Union is what the Mica proposal, which was initially presented to the European Commission in September 2020, wants to achieve. The crypto regulations might start to take effect in 2024 after passing legal and linguistic scrutiny, Parliament's approval of the most recent version of the document, and publication in the official EU journal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the CoinCu channel to stay up to date on the latest news.